Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y90 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. You need to start by opening settings. Now scroll down and choose biometrics and password. Then select face recognition and enter your current login method. After that, read the disclaimer, choose get started and remember to keep your face in frame. Now you can adjust all of those options however you wish to, and when you're ready, click on Home button. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my HUAWEI. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!